Alrighty then, a warm welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. This assessment isn't about passing or failing, it's about gaining clarity. Real transformation doesn't happen because we know more, it happens because we embody what we know. The four pillars assessments will help you discover where you're already living from your true identity and where God may be inviting you to grow. As you work through these statements, answer honestly based on how you've lived over the past 30 days. There are no right or wrong answers. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about becoming more aware. You'll explore the four pillars of the God Inside way: think as God, command as a king, play as a child, and live as a millionaire. Each pillar reveals a different aspect of living from the presence of God within you. When you've completed the assessment, take a few moments to reflect on your results and choose one pillar to intentionally strengthen over the next 30 days. Remember, transformation is not measured by what you know, but by who you become. Let's begin your journey of embodiment, and let's start right now.